Want to spend less on your DreamHost web hosting purchase and get a DreamHost coupon code discount? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a DreamHost coupon code that will get you a DreamHost discount, saving you money. You'll get 63% to 79% off over DreamHost monthly pricing, depending on the DreamHost hosting plan you choose, plus you'll get a free domain name on annual plans. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get the DreamHost discount. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your DreamHost discount. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from DreamHost at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome DreamHost discount. Now let me walk you through the steps. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the DreamHost shared web hosting plans page. Something I want to mention is the DreamHost coupon code will work on all other types of DreamHost web hosting services offered, like WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, and more. The steps will be the same. For the DreamHost web hosting page, you'll see you can get DreamHost hosting for as low as $1.99 for a month. Click the See All Plans button. It'll take you down to the DreamHost hosting plans you can select from. You'll see two different plans you can choose from, the Shared Starter Plan and the Shared Unlimited Plan. You'll see the terms you can choose above the DreamHost plans. You can choose from monthly, 1 year, or 3 years. Now let's go over each of the terms with the discounted amount for DreamHost. For 3 years of DreamHost hosting, you'll save 68% over the monthly price for the Shared Starter Plan, getting hosting for $259 a month. For the Shared Unlimited Plan, you'll save 72% off the monthly price, getting DreamHost hosting for $395 a month. You'll also get a free domain name with both of these plans with a 3-year term. Now let's cover the 1-year term. You'll save 63% off the monthly price for the Shared Starter Plan, getting DreamHost for $295 a month. For the Shared Unlimited Plan, you'll save 79% over the monthly price, getting hosting for $295 a month. You'll also get a free domain name with both of these plans with the 1-year term. Now let's cover the monthly term. You'll get the Shared Starter Plan for $199 for the first month. After the first month, the plan will renew at $799 a month. For the Shared Unlimited Plan, you'll get hosting for $299 for the first month. After the first month, the plan will renew at $1399 a month. The monthly plans do not come with a free domain name. Once you select a plan, you'll now be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name if you went with a 1-year or 3-year term. If you chose the monthly term, you'll have to pay for your domain name. Click Register a New Domain to choose your domain name. Type in the domain you want by clicking the search icon. You can now add the free domain or the domain at a low cost if you chose the monthly option. You now want to continue filling out the rest of the information to complete your DreamHost web hosting purchase. You've now taken advantage of the DreamHost discount and completed your DreamHost hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more DreamHost hosting tutorial videos.